Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a knock sensor on a Hyundai Accent. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a new knock sensor. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Make sure the engine is completely cool before you begin working to avoid any potential burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Next, locate the knock sensor. On many Hyundai Accent models, it's situated on the engine block, usually beneath the intake manifold. You might need to carefully remove some air intake components or other obstructions to gain clear access. Take your time to identify the sensor and its electrical connector, ensuring you have a good line of sight for the next steps. Now, it's time to remove the old sensor. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and gently pulling it away. Then, using a socket wrench with an appropriate extension, loosen and remove the single bolt securing the sensor to the engine block. Once the bolt is out, you can carefully extract the old knock sensor from its position. To install the new sensor, carefully place it into its mounting hole on the engine block. Hand tighten the securing bolt, then use a torque wrench to tighten it to the manufacturer's specified setting, typically around 15 to 20 foot-pounds. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector and reassemble any components you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.